I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming requirements and opening settings. First, check Mac OS version in System Settings. Live wallpaper apps often need Mac OS 12 or newer. Next, plug your Mac into power and turn off low power mode so animations run smoothly. Then find or download the media you want. MP4, MOV, or animated hike works best. Once done, keep the file accessible and quit unused apps to free GPU resources. This reduces stutter when you set the wallpaper. You now install and configure the Wallpaper app. Pick a trusted app from the App Store or trusted source, then run its installer. When the app requests permissions, accessibility, screen recording, or files, grant them so it can set desktop output. Import your MP4/MOV/hike into the app library, then choose loop, resolution scaling, and playback quality. Higher quality uses more battery. Once configured, preview on the desktop and adjust if animation trims or flickers, because that indicates scaling. You finish by applying the live wallpaper and verifying it across spaces and external displays. Hit apply or set desktop, then switch desktops to make sure it persists. If you see lag or battery drain, lower playback quality, reduce frame rate, or disable extra effects. This eases GPU load. If the wallpaper won't start, restart the app, then reboot Mac OS. Use Activity Monitor to find processes hogging GPU. One quick tip: re-grant permissions in System Settings if desktop output is.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.